Okay. Alright, we're all finished with G major and E minor. We finished our second key. And the next key we're going to do, see, the next one in the circle of fifths is the D major scale. There are two sharps in the D major scale. And we're going to do the D major scale now. And there's the relative minor. As you can see, the major ones have uppercase letters while the minor ones have lowercase. The ones outside the circle are major ones, inside the circle are minors. There's D major, and there's the relative minor, B minor, which we do after the augmented key. You know what, I'll be right back. I'm a little thirsty. Alright, so let's do this with the left hand one. So you know this is G major. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next scale we're going to do is a D major scale. Ready for D major? Here we go. That's the third major scale we're going to do. The D major scale. Alright. Alright, here we go with D major. Alright, the other way. D to E is a whole step, E to F sharp is a whole step, and F sharp to G is a half step. Now, the G sharp or A flat is not going to be played. Nah, I should just say G sharp. So, because this is a sharp key signature. So we're going to start on an A. Once this camera focuses. Come on, focus camera. There you go. A to B is a whole step. B to C sharp is a whole step. And C sharp to D is a half step. Alright, we're going to do the right hand first with thumb turns. This is the D major scale with the right hand. My hands are so big for this piano, but I don't mind playing it as a 17-year-old. I remember this as a child. That was the right hand, and now the left hand. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to do the major, minor, diminished, and augmented chords. So this is a D major chord. D, F sharp, A, D major. That was the right hand. Now the left hand. D major, D, F sharp, A, D major. I'm going to say a D, not a G. We were already on G major. Now we're on D major. Okay, now for D minor. Because the third note in the D major scale is an F sharp, it's going to be lowered to F. So, F natural, D minor, D, F natural, A, D minor. I'm going to show you what a natural symbol looks like. If you don't remember this, which was shown earlier in the video, that's a natural symbol right there. Kind of looks like a slanted square with some lines on the vertical lines on the top left and bottom right of it. Slanted from left to right, between the C and A, uppercase C and lowercase a. Again, major letters are uppercase, minor ones are lowercase. And we're still in D minor. A natural note is what would be an original from a white key. So D minor, D, F natural, A, D minor. That was the right hand. Now the left hand. D minor, D, F natural, A, D minor. Now it's time for D diminished. So again, diminished means to make smaller. So we're gonna make this chord narrower. So we're gonna lower the A down to an A flat. Now that's D diminished, D, F natural, A flat, D diminished. That was the right hand. And now we're doing the left hand. D diminished, D, F natural, A flat, D diminished. I know my music teacher, Miss Lisa, has a rule called no thumb on a black key, but I'd rather just use the thumb on the black key of the way I can try it. So please do not mind what I'm doing with the thumb on the black key. Now it's time for D augmented. Augmented means you make wider. So while diminished chords are related to minor chords, augmented chords are related to major chords. So we're going back to the major scale, the major chord, and the A will be raised to an A sharp. So D augmented, D, F sharp, A sharp, A augmented. That was the right hand. And now the left hand. D augmented, D, F sharp, A sharp, D augmented. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, three semitones from D would be B. So we're going to do the B minor scale, the relative major to D major. Alright, this is going to be the B minor scale. Ready for the B minor scale? Well, here we go. Okay, that was the right hand, and now left hand. Okay. Now for the harmonic minor. Seventh note in this scale is this note, which is the A. Now we're going to go to an A sharp. A is going to be replaced by A sharp for this version. Here we go. Again, you're going to do it the same way with harmonic minor going up and down. Okay, now we're going to play the B melodic minor. So 6 and 7 are G and A, so they raise to G sharp and A sharp. And it's going to be natural minor for descending, like all the other minors too. Let's do a little louder. Okay. Now we're moving on to